Seems like everything takes forever. Good morning. It is November 4th. We are back up the boat. I'm back from Phoenix. It is a cloudy day. A small chance of rain today. We are back here in the office and we are going to redo just this section. And the reason for that is because right now, with the way we cut these, this ended up being still flat here, where here it comes into this, and it's much easier to work with just two planes. Where over here we were going to have the above flat section and this little bitty flat section, and then below that we were going to have the angled section. So what we want to do is we're going to cut new pieces here so that they are the same length as these, and then we'll do slat pieces at this angle, and it should work out a little bit better.
Let's go. Let's do it.
Yep, let's do it. Let's go cut. And 54.5. And I'll get the other side, 4 1/2.
Whoa.
We're using one of our new plugs. Putting it on the line. Okay. Bottom board in, and you've probably seen me taking this level and sticking it up there. Basically what I'm trying to do, trying to make this plane, this curved plane here, as level as possible, so when we put the longer boards up, they'll all set nice and flat and won't be any ripples in them or bows. I mean, I'm sure there's going to be a few, but trying to make it as accurate as possible. Got that one in, and now we'll need to come over here. Hopefully that'll go a little quicker, and then probably a center one and then a bottom one. The one that needs to chase around is going to be a bit of a pain. It is lunchtime and I'm hungry, so I'm going to go get some lunch later. ones that need chases built.
So what do we have left to do in here?
Still got to build the bigger chase over here.
There's going to be trim along here, and then we'll have trim for that gap. The desk is that high.
Yep.
We're going to paint below the desk, and then above the desk is going to be acoustic felt, gray and blue tiles.
We have the wall over in the corner there, and at the bottom we got a chase to build, and that'll close that off. And probably going to do it in 2 segments, but we'll decide. Then we got a chase down there. Over here we have the entire chase to do all the way down, and then like 1 or 2 more little panels right there, and then the chase on the office air conditioners vent, and then a big chase for this coming across. So I think that's about it. Later.
What you working on, honey?
Well, we got a few of the Lutron switches in. So I am mounting them in a 3-way one, which we're going to mount over there, over the hole, so that we have lights that control the light going into the pilot house stairway and the light that will be for the stairs going down. You need to, of course, install a light there.
It's this light.
Normally, you can buy the little remotes separately, and they're 20 bucks. Or you can buy the little remotes with the remote, one of these, and one of these for 30. But on eBay, I was able to buy these for about $8.50, and then these were 10 for like $15. What normally would have been 30 was $10 basically. Just about got that guy in. We don't have the backsplash in, but now we have a switch, and look at that, it even does something. Doink. Doink. Okay.
So, do we need Wi-Fi for all those things to work?
No.
It has its own Wi-Fi.
It has its own, it's called Clear Connect, is their standard.
Okay, and that exists just inside our boat.
Right.
So what if the boat next to us has Clear Connect?
Each switch has its own ID.
Okay.
So even if they're
Because that was a problem with, what was it? The
X10.
X10?
Yeah.
Yeah, the neighbors up on the hill kept turning our lights on and off
Yeah.
back in Phoenix.
Yep, not an issue here.
Okay. Bill's programming the light buttons with...
Lutron Android app.
I'm so tired of these bow clips, or as we've come to call them, poppet beads, or poppets. But what we've decided to use so that we can take the panels off in case we need to get to what's behind the panels. Oh, I don't know which was worse, this office or that forward bathroom. Both of them had curves and angles that make it very difficult for putting up wall panels. Yay, one down.
There are the first 5 panels in with poppets, or the little bow clips. We're going to continue on, but we need to get ready to head back home for a while. We're actually going to be back up here on late Thursday. Jeannie's cleaning up in here. Later. We got the first set of switches installed. So this is going to control the stair light, which is this light up here. This is going to control the salon light, which I think if I hit it on, yeah, those salon lights come on. Or if I hit it off, those will go off. This is pathway light, and it turns on the table lights and the island lights. There's off, and they go off. Yep. And then finally, we got the favorite button. And right now I only have one of the indirect lighting. There they are, up there in the thing, and if you hit it off, it goes back off. So got those in, and then here we have the kitchen lights on, kitchen lights off. We got a bunch of cleaning to do, so later.